standard deviation root of ft dash square divided by n, ft dash divided by c is equal to class interval 162. 162 is equal to sigma ft dash. So steps to be followed: sigma ft dash square divided by 926 divided by 60 minus 210 by divided 60 whole square. What is sigma ft dash? 210. ft dash square is 926. We'll apply the formula. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand measure of dispersion. Last session, we discussed the individual number with the frequency and the continuous series for calculation of standard deviation. Now we are going to solve another 3 or 4 problems of same type of continuous series, which is very, very important from the examination point of view. We'll move on to the problem now. So the problem has been given 0 to 5. 0 is called lower limit, 5 is called upper limit. The class interval is 5. How to say? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 only, 5 to 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 only. You have given the frequency. First, add the frequency. 4 plus 6, 10, 18, 20, 30, 49, 50, 60, 70. This is n is equal to 70. What is the first step to do? Add the frequency 4 plus 6, 10, 18, 20, 30, 49, 50, 60. What is the next step to do? Mid value. 0 plus 5, this is L1 plus L2. How to do? L1 plus L2 divided by 2. 0 plus 5 is 5, divided by 2 is 2.5. 5 plus 10 is 15, divided by 2 is 7.5. So there is a difference of 5. Next, 12.5. Then add 5, 17.5. Add 5, 22.5. Add 5, 27.5. Add 5, 32.5. What is the first step to do? 0 plus 5 is 5, divided by 2 is 2.5, add 5 by 2.5, add 7.5, 12.5, 17.5. What is the next step? D dash. For the first number, you take as a 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I took the first number as assumed 0, increase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the next step? ft dash multiplied by frequency. 4 into 0 is 0. 6 into 1 is 6. 8 into 2 is 16. 12 into 3 is 36. 19 into 4, 76. 11 into 5, 55. 10 into 6, 60. How to do? ft dash. 4 into 0, 0. 6 1s are 6. 8 2s are 16. 12 3s are 36. 19 into 4 is 76. 11 5s are 55. 10 6s are 60. Add the number. What is the first number? 6 plus 16 plus 36 plus 76 plus 55 plus 60 is equal to 49. 6 plus 2, 12, 18, 24, 29, 2 plus 1, 3, 6, 13, 18, 24, 249. This is sigma ft dash 249. Sigma ft dash is 249. What is next one? ft dash square. What is ft dash square? ft dash into d dash. 0 into 0, 0. 6 1s are 6. 16 2s are 32. Then 36 into 3, 3 6s are 18, 108. 76 into 4, 76 into 4 is equal to 304. Then 55 into 5, 5 5s are 25 plus 275. 60 into 6, 360. Just ft dash and d dash, 0 into 0, 0, 6 ones are 6, 16 twos are 32, 36 threes are 108, 76 into 4, 304, 55 into 5, 275. This one. Add the number now. First one, 6 plus 32 plus 108 plus 304 plus 275 plus 360 is equal to 1085. Sigma ft dash square 1085. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 16, 20, 25, 5, 12, 18, 1 plus 2, 2, 5, 7, 10. 1085 sigma ft dash square. What is the next step? You have to apply the formula. Standard deviation is equal to root of sigma ft dash square divided by n minus sigma ft dash divided by n whole square into c is equal to root of, we'll go to that. What is sigma ft dash? 1085 divided by 70. 1085 divided by 70 minus, what is sigma ft dash here? What is sigma ft dash here? 249 divided by 70 whole square into, what's your class interval? 0 to 5 means 5. Now you have to simplify. 1085 divided by 70 is equal to 15.5. This is 1085 divided by 70 is nothing but 15.5. Then 249 divided by 70 is equal to 3.55 whole square into 5. Simplify this. 15.5 minus 3.55 into 3.55. 12.62 into 5 minus 15.5 minus 12.62 is equal to root of 2.88 into 5. Remove this root, 2.88, remove the root, 1.69 into 5. 1.69 into 5 is equal to 8.48. I think you follow. First, you add the frequency, find out the mid value, then assume first number as 0, d dash multiplied by f, ft dash, then ft dash into d dash is ft dash square, then slowly apply the formula. C is equal to interval, somebody says as I also, interval also, C means class interval. Class interval should be outside the root, It is already outside. Last, whatever the answer comes, for that you have to multiply that figure. We'll go to next problem. Your problem is 0 to 4 is class interval is 4. 0 to 4, 4 to 8. Add the frequency. First step, 3 sevens are 10, 18, 20, 30, 41, 50, 60. N is equal to 60. N is equal to 60. I'll add the figure. 3 plus 7, 10, 18, 20, 30, 41, 50. What is the next step? Mid value. 0 plus 4 is 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then 4 plus 8 is 12 divided by 2 is 6. 12 plus 8, 20 divided by 2 is 10. So difference of 4, 14, 18, 22, 26. Clarify, 20 plus 24 is 44, divided by 2 is 23. 24 plus 8 is 52, 6 divided by 3 is 26. Next, what is the next step? Mid value. Okay, this is mid value. Then D dash. Next step is D dash. First number as 0, then 1, next 2, next 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the next step? Sigma ft dash multiplied by frequency. 3 into 0 is 0. 7 ones are 7. 8 twos are 16. 12 threes are 36. 11 fours are 44. 9 fives are 45. 10 into 6, 60. Just I multiplied. Add the figure is equal to 208. 208. The total will come 208. Then ft dash square. What is this ft? This total is 208. Your total is 208. What is next step? 0 into 0, 0. 7 ones are 7. 16 twos are 32. Then 36 into 3, 108. 44 into 4, 176. 45 into 5, 225. 6 into 60, 360. Here your total is 208. 208 only. Add the figure. First is 7 plus 32 plus 108 plus 176 plus 225 plus 360 is equal to 908. Sigma ft dash square is equal to 908. Sigma ft dash square is 908. So 7 plus 2, 9, 17, 23, 28, 2 plus 3, 5, 12, 14, 20, 3, 4, 6, 9, 908. Okay. Now, your ft dash square is 908. Your ft dash is 208. Number of frequency 60. Apply the formula. Standard deviation is equal to sigma ft dash square divided by n minus sigma ft dash divided by n whole square into c. C is class interval is equal to root of what is sigma ft dash square? 908 divided by 60. 908 divided by 60 minus your sigma ft dash is 208 divided by 60 whole square into your class interval is 0 to 4 means 4. Simplify. Sigma ft dash is 908 divided by 60, 208 by 60 whole square into 4. So here 908 divided by 60 is equal to 15.13 minus 208 divided by 60 is equal to 3.46 whole square into 4 is equal to root of 5.15.13 square of this 3.46 into 3.46 is equal to 11.99 into 4, 3.46, 3.4, 11.99, deduct 15.13 minus 11.99 99 is equal to 3.14 into 4. Root of 3.14, 1.772, 1.772 into 4, 7.088 is equal to 7.088. This is your answer. So, first step, you have to find out the mid, add the frequency, find out the mid value, then f into d dash is ft dash. What is next one? Ft dash into d dash is ft dash square. Then apply the formula. Standard deviation root of ft dash square divided by n, ft dash divided by c is equal to class interval. You have to slowly, you have to see, class is outside the road. You must be very careful. It is outside the road. We'll go to next problem. 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. So 0 is called lower limit, 5 is called upper limit. What is the first step to do? So add the frequency. 3 plus 7, 10, 19, 20, 30, 36, 40, 50. N is equal to 50. Find out the mid value. 0 plus 5 is 5, divided by 2 is 2.5. 5 increase, 7.5, 12.5, 17.5, 22.5. What I am doing now? Add and divide by 2. Add and divide by 2. 0 plus 5 is 2.5, 7.5, 12.5, 17.5, 22.5, 27.5, 32.5. What is the next step to do? D dash, assume as 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then ft dash, frequency into d dash. 3 into 0 is 0. 7 ones are 7. 9 twos are 18. 11 threes are 33. 6 fours are 24. 4 fives are 20. 10 six are 60. Add the figure. Add this figure. 7 plus 18 plus 33 plus 24 plus 20 plus 60. 162. 7 plus 8, 15, 18, 22, 2 plus 1, 3, 6, 8, 12, 16. 162. 162 is equal to sigma ft dash. Then ft dash square. This is 162. Sigma ft. ft dash into d dash. 0 into 0 is 0. 7 ones are 7. 18 twos are 36. 33 into 99. 44 into 4. 96. 20 into 500. 360. Add the figure. This is 7 plus 36 plus 99 plus 96 plus 100 plus 360 is equal to 698. 698. Sigma ft dash square 698. So 7 plus 6, 13, 22, 28, 2 plus 3, 5, 14, 23, 29, 3, 6. So your ft dash is 162, ft dash square is 698. Your ft dash square is equal to 698. Okay, apply the formula now. 0 to 5 is 5, n is 50. Standard deviation is equal to root of sigma ft dash square divided by n minus sigma ft dash divided by n whole square into c is equal to root of What is sigma ft dash square? 698 divided by 50. 698 divided by 50. 698 divided by 50. What is next number? Sigma ft dash is 162 divided by 50 whole square into your class interval is 0 to 5 means 5. We'll simplify this. 698 divided by 50 is equal to 13.96. This is 13. If we divide this now, 13.96 minus 162 divided by 50 is equal to 3.24 whole square into your class interval is 5. So root of 13.96 minus 3.24 into 3.24 is equal to 10.49 for 10.4976 into 5. Simplify. Root of 13.96 minus 10.4976 is equal to 3.4624 into 5. 3.4624 into 5. Root of this 1.8607 1.8607 into 5. 9.30. 9.3037. Full number if you want. So what are the steps I followed? What is the first step you followed here? Add the frequency, take the mid value, then take the deviation. F into d dash is ft dash. The next step, ft dash and d dash is ft dash square. Then apply the formula. C is equal to class interval. It's a class interval. I think you have followed that. We'll go to this problem. 0 to 4. 3 plus 7, 10, 18, 20, 30, 39, 40, 50, 60. N is equal to 60. Mid value. What is the next step to do? Mid value. 0 plus 4 is 4. Divided by 2 is 2. 4 plus 8 is 12. Divided by 2 is 6. Then 10, 14, 18, 22, 26. How to do? 0 plus 4 is 4. Divided by 2 is 2. 4 plus 8 is 12. Divided by 2 is 6. 12 plus 8 is 20. Divided by 2. All the difference is 4. Means class interval is 4. What is the next step? D dash. 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first number as 0. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the next step? Ft dash multiplied by frequency. 3 into 0 is 0. 7 into 1 is 7. 8 into 2 is 16. 12 into 3 is 36. 9 into 4 is 36. 11 into 5 is 55. 10 into 6 is 60. I have multiplied. Now add the figure. What is the first one? 7 plus 16 plus 36 plus 36 plus 55 plus 60 is equal to 210. 7 plus 6, 13, 19, 25, 30. 3 plus 1, 4, 7, 10, 15, 21. 210. Sigma ft dash is 210. Next step, last step, sigma ft dash square. What is ft dash square? Ft dash into d dash. 0 into 0, 0. 7 ones are 7. 16 twos are 32. 36 into 3, 108. 36 into 108. 36 into 4. 36 into 4 is equal to 144. Then 55 into 5, 275. Then 60 into 6, 360. Add the figure. One by one add. 7 plus 32 plus 108 plus 144 plus 275 plus 360 is equal to 926. I added this number. 7 plus 2, 9. 17, 21, 26. 2 plus 1, 3. 5, 9, 16, 22. 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 6, 9. 926. Sigma ft dash square is equal to 926. What is sigma ft dash? 210. Ft dash square is 926. We'll apply the formula. Standard deviation is equal to root of sigma ft dash square divided by n minus sigma ft dash divided by n whole square into c. What's the formula? Sigma ft dash square divided by n minus sigma ft dash divided by n whole square into c. See that? What is sigma ft dash square? 926 divided by 60 root of 926 divided by 60 minus, see that? 926 divided by 210 divided by 60 whole square into your class interval 0 to 4 means into 4. So sigma ft dash square is 926 divided by 60 minus 210 divided by 60 whole square. Simplify this. 926 divided by 60 is equal to 15.43. 15.43 minus 210 divided by 60, 3.5 into your class interval is 4. 15.43 into 3.5 into 3.5, 3.5 into 3.5 is equal to 12.25. 15.43 minus 12.25 into 4. Deduct 15.43 minus 12.25 is equal to 3.18 into 4. Root of this 1.78 into 4. 1.78 into 4. 7.12. Steps to be followed. Sigma ft dash square divided by 926 divided by 60 minus 210 by divided by 60 whole square. This divide 15.43 minus 3.5 whole square is 12.25 into 4. Deduct 3.18 into 4. Root of that is 1.78. The answer is 7.12. So all the 4 problems is one and the same. It is very, very important. So I have solved individual number of frequency and continuous frequency. What are the steps to be followed for a continuous frequency? Add the frequency. What is the next step? find out the mid value, then take the deviation d dash multiplied by f, that is ft dash. Ft dash into d dash is ft dash square. Then apply the formula. Standard deviation is called root of ft dash square divided by n minus ft dash divided by n whole square into c. C outside the root. Simplify. The answer should be multiplied by the class interval. Then only we can get the standard deviation. So I have gone through all the 4 plus 1, 5 problem. It is very, very important for the next session is concerned. Next session, we are going to discuss coefficient of variation. So till then, we'll meet you in the next class. Goodbye. Good day for you.